Viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people. In today's video, we want to talk about squash, 6ixBoss, Big Breeze artists, Big Breeze up in a them town. Them boy, they have to pay tax. The 6 is real. Also, we want to talk about squash, 6ixBoss mother, Shelly. People, Shelly breaks silence about squash 6ixBoss. Case get turned over to the FBI. Squash about to face federal charges and go federal prison if him not take the plea deal. Squash have until August 26 to accept the plea deal from the feds them, else a court where them a go deal with them wicked, where them a go bring the lightning, the thunder, the hail, the rain, the flood, the volcano. Them a go show the whole book at squash 6ixBoss if we make the feds them spend money, use up them resources and go court. If him not accept the plea deal, them a go deal with him wicked. So people, squash 6ixBoss mother Shelly. See Shelly toxic, vile, gasoline. Shelly more toxic than squash 6ixBoss. And Shelly are the real gangster. Shelly are the mastermind where squash them get them dirty ways from. Not only them environment, but them mother toxic. So Shelly upon him upon him IG, upon him TikTok. Yeah, Shelly upon TikTok, and while Shelly upon TikTok, somebody asked him about her son. And Shelly a make a person know say squash 6ixBoss good. Shelly a make a person know say prison a make for dog. Enough people that prison were better than squash 6ixBoss and squash good. Them not for worry about squash. Squash alright. Shelly a say it's not like say squash lose him life, but squash good. Shelly, you behave ignorant, and we see say you're dark, and we see say you not have no sense. And when time we tell you certain things, you not listen, cause you not do your research, and you not take the time out to be a better person. And the reason why we are talk to you, you have a next son out there with name Bobby 6, we have potential, where might be if you change your ways, might be you can save him. But Shelly, you not listen. Yes, prison no make for dog. But at the end of the day, prison another better roads. Don't make it look like prison a Ritz-Carlton hotel or sandals. Don't make it prison look like the man there in a castle. Kick back and I eat apple, lobster, shrimp, and I live in best life. The youth get the opportunity to make something out in life, make something where can create a legacy for your family, generational wealth, and the youth mess it up. The man get more than one opportunity to better himself, Shelly, and the youth drop the ball. While we make them video, yeah, enough it keep down squash. But at the end of the day, enough youth out there can learn from squash 6ixBoss situation. Enough youth out there can uplift themselves and realize say badness no pay. There is no retirement package when it come to badness. Remember, say the feds them label squash as a transnational gang leader, and you have to understand, say the feds them, the government system, them well organized and put together and have every resources inna the world fi better themselves. Them have the money, they have the means, they have the connection. Enough of the youths them make it out of the garrison, make it out of the ghetto, get a chance fi better themselves. Squash is a youth we get a slice of the cake. As a matter of fact, him get more than a slice of cake because Squash is a talented artist. See, Squash sing about badness, but at the same time, for some artists, them sing about the art, but some artists actually sing about the life where them a live. So no fans did think say Squash just sing about the badness alone. But now them a realize say the mania actually live where them a sing about. The chip glock them, bust off boy this, dirt boy, make how much dopey, make how much body. All of the things them where them rap about and where them sing about are stuff where them actually live a real life art. The man them write in a song where them a do, where them plan fi do, where them friend them a do. So you are gonna say prison no make fi dog. Prison make for human being, it make for man. But we tired to see we black brothers and sisters are find themselves in the cemetery, are find themselves in the morgue, are find themselves a prison. Youth like Squash them, we talented, we get opportunity to make it in a life. You know how much artists in a Jamaica we try music on a bus? You know how much artists wish they did have the fan base and the support system where Squash have? Squash are one of the youth who boss in a Jamaica. Big. Squash even have a crew. The 6 with man like Chronicler, Javilani, Daddy One, a whole bunch of youth where boss. See? One night time, a 6 a run over the place, a 6 a run Jamaica. The man them even have song. If you not say 6, no girl no want you. The man them a trend. At the 6 camp them me hear talk about markets, Squash them and they gone. And them talk about 6ixBoss and they gone. And them talk about Crown and they gone. And them talk about Kickers and they gone. And them come as a Air Force One and white tees that it gone. Cause enough people will say Gaza support Squash, cause Squash and Cartel link. Squash and Shopdown link at the time. So everybody knows a Squash and Shopdown and Cartel did a link. So the whole Gaza, which is the biggest following in a dancehall, a support Squash. So your son talented when get the opportunity to make millions, to take away himself from the ghetto, from the garrison. Seeing, not saying you know for rep where you come from, but we know how the garrison set up. Enough youth now have certain opportunity. Enough youth now have no future. Enough youth now make it for see certain age. But Squash make it out. Shelly, as a mother, we see say you're toxic cause you have around 5 sons allegedly. 3 of your son get slapped with, get caught up in the same badness. And then you see you have a son like Squash where actually talented and have skill and good when it comes to music, where you're supposed to pull him to the side, where been attacked to the youth. Even before this happened, you're this way, you call with fish, you call with shaky, you call with this, you call with that. Shelly, all you did need to do is sit down your son, talk to your son, and reason with your son. Whole heap of bloggers out here tell him the things them. Cause we listen to the music, we see him move, we see the road where he might go down, we see the things them where he might get caught up. We are telling about 3 years now, about 4 years now. We know said this did a go happen, but on this way and on a style way. And enough of the fans them will say 6. Una not really rate the artists. Cause if not for no, they rate the artists them. Una don't tell them the truth. And if una name support certain song, the artists them would insist they not get support with certain song. So go do certain song. Me see a big man in my comment section, or big woman, I tell me if you go suck my mother, I call me fish, boy you go get this, boy we are go dirty, boy this, that. But at the end of the day, enough for no cause the artists them for there where them there and end up in the situation where them end up. When man like squash them, make it out of the ghetto, chronic law them, enough youth make it, cause enough youth I go see the hope, enough youth soon a dream, and dream fi have perseverance and pursue greatness like enough of them artists here, but enough of them artists here take up too much crime and violence. We see Vice Cartel go do 13 years. We see Sean Storm go do 13 years. We see Jack Cure get locked up already. Back in ideas. Still no learn. We talk to Jack Cure. We say Jack Cure, loud this, loud that. Jack Cure want broke up woman, want beat up woman. Jack Cure have woman in house. The woman called Popcorn. Popcorn go for the woman. Jack Cure rush Popcorn with machete. We talk to Jack Cure. Jack Cure now listen. Uno say we bad mind the man them. Uno say we are fighting man them. Uno say we this. Uno say we that. And now Jack Cure end up back in a prison. Then uno say free Jack Cure. Now Jack Cure lock way overseas in a Europe for years in a prison. Where you not have no friend, no family, no man can carry clothes go give him, no man can carry food go give him regularly because he get locked up overseas. We see Ladna as an artist get locked up. We see Tommy Lee as an artist get locked up. We see Ninja Man get locked up. Same way, Zebra as an artist get locked up. Well, Zebra them can lock up in blood clot. We not sorry for Zebra. Cause you agree upon you hold on and take. We not sorry for Zebra. Zebra got prison about 30 times. So, at the end of the day, we not sorry for Zebra. Zebra them can lock up him ass. But Zebra talented too, but lock up him clot. Cause him have money when can go buy pum pum. But a crazy artist we see get lock up. We see police rush Alkaline one time and them detain him for a period of time. Alkaline take away himself. We see Dexter Daps used to get locked up over and over. We talk to the artist. The artist listen. Dexter Daps take away himself. So at the end of the day, Shelly, you have to be a mother and not a fan of your son. You don't need to be him friend. You need to be him mother. Tell him the truth. Make him know, say the road where I go down, I go end up a prison, or it I go end up a cemetery when get dirt. So at the end of the day, you say squash. Good. Squash no good. We see Squash get locked up at Jamaica for 6 months and ball like a baby, saying sugar, saying diabetes. The man have run in a belly. The man a complain about the cold concrete. The man a complain about the food. We see say him no build a way there, but him just stubborn. So Squash no good. So in the United States of America, any criminal, any gangster, any transnational gang leader like Squash, as the feds them label him, the United States of America no want deal with them. Them no have the space. Enough of them a get sent go to Africa. Allegedly, them a work on a thing for them go to Africa. A country of Africa, me no remember if a Somalia or what, say them willing to take them. El Salvador willing to take them as well. And El Salvador no play. Uno no want see Squash get sent to El Salvador where he no speak Spanish and him no have no friend down there and him black and he no have no defendant and we no know what go happen to him if him get sent there, cause we see real gangster will be like that a holla. We see how them deal with them man there. We see how them deal with them wicked. Trim off them hair, handcuff them with ziplock and have them hold on them head. Them deal with them wicked. Me even know a man with tough certain way where same now and find himself in a them situation there. So Shelly, where you are talking about how Squash she good. How Squash she good. When Squash a go up versus the feds, we know say the feds now play. They have a 90% conviction rate. So how Squash fi good when the feds even step to him, give him an ultimatum. You know what is an ultimatum? The man them a make you know say big man, you have until August 26 to make up your mind what you are going to do. Is either you go accept the plea deal or you go court and Squash no know him bedfoot from him bedhead and liar if you go over the paperwork and make him know what go on. So right now Squash I go have sleepless night. Squash I go turn baby Wayne and say, Shelly, mama, come get me out here. You know, see bad man have me a spin propeller, mama. But a problem. So Shelly, you only a put on face. Yes, you have to be strong for your son or yourself, but we give you the opportunity over and over to talk to your son, to reason with your son, to teach your son. But Shelly, you not listen. Enough man come America and a gangster and them see how the system set up and the man them want a better life for themselves. It make no sense. You is an artist like a Squash and you is a millionaire and you can't enjoy your money. You can't enjoy your lifestyle. You can't travel the world. You can't live the life where you're supposed to live. Crazy money did out there. 2024 and 2025 for Squash 6ixBoss make one of the biggest song, Big Breeze, and the man couldn't get for travel and do certain show. Even Vibes Cartel, Freedom Street, Squash couldn't dip on it. Even the freedom, the show them we cartel a do in the Barclays and certain country, Squash couldn't dip on it. Squash couldn't make some real food, but him choose badness. Him choose so-called danship. Him choose the respect of the street or the respect of the underworld for man say him a bad man over being a millionaire. One I think me realize, enough of them artists, enough of them Jamaican boy and girl. One time we used to respect people if you want to be police, soldier, fireman, doctors, lawyers, business owner. Now, our OG we respect them for OF. Figure sell front. OF, for be chopper, for be scammers, for be draggers, and that will respect people for now. So enough of them youth here no have no ambition. And Shelly, you and your son could have own a gas station, or you could have own apartment building, or you could have own supermarket, or you could have taken yourself out of poverty and live the best life, or you could have businesses. But on you choose the toxic, corrupt way, on you choose ignorancy, on you choose dunce And at the end of the day, Shelly, the prison is undefeated, the feds is undefeated, the hearse is undefeated, the cemetery is undefeated, and the prison is undefeated. At the end of the day, enough done we see come and go. So we're not frightened for them. The youth could keep back in house now and live in best life, or they on a private jet or travel go on show, or a live in best life but on choose badness. Enough people in the comment section are going to diss me and are going to style me, but on no mindset. Enough of us still ignorant. Only not see how much our brothers and sisters will lose to the cemetery, we lose to badness, we lose to the prison system. Squash could have out here and make Jamaica proud. Could have out here and make the little island proud by a sellout show. I do some collaboration, I do some arena too. The man have a huge fan base. We're willing to support him. A huge fan base. We're out here. I tell we every day to suck with mama. But on now go see the youth for years. Because what? Uno never tell the youth the truth. So it's either take the plea deal where them a go cut down in time, when turn in farmer, when give up certain people when work with, when give up certain connection, else him a go do 20 years in a prison, 15 years in a prison, or 30 years in a prison. So on watch, uno a go see crazy crime down in Jamaica probably get exposed. Them will find more tool at the wharf them. Them are going to find more tool and go in and out of the country. Cause me believe say Squash I go snitch. Me believe say Squash I go inform. Squash now be like that. So who want hate me, but the artists I go sing like Celine Dion. I go sing like Whitney Houston. And I will always love you. A man I go sing. The man I go touch some note. Kind of one got certain prison. And him no one got certain country. Worse him no one get sent back a yard. If him go yard, problem I got did it. The system, the police, them a mobile, don't a plan for him, don't a pay attention to the case. Plus, whatever thing them achieve a mobile, whatever progress they make, them now go make Squash 6ixBoss, mash it up. But if we know, say, anyhow him not work with the feds, them a go ship him with for a long time, and then him will get deported. But we know in a bill certain way, say him a go sing, him a go talk, him a go snitch, him a go inform, him a go turn a rat like 6ix Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe.